Today I'm heading out across the bar at Noosa and hopefully try and get onto a few reef fish, so let's see how we go. Jacket on, we're going to cross the bar now. It's high tide. I've just rang into the Coast Guard because unfortunately I've just realised that my radio's not working, so anyway, I've got everything on the boat now. I'm not going back, so crossing the bar. Here they come. Got to be careful here now. Come on, just about to break on us. But we got to keep the boat going straight. Just like so. Here we go, guys, again. We don't want to go too quick. We never know what's going to happen. So this is where she throws up a few just here. Here we go, hold on. Here comes another one. Slowly hit it. And there we go. I'd say we're pretty safe now, guys. But you never know. Sometimes she throws up a big one every now and again. So, well, it's good for a little bit of excitement. I've just got to call in now to the Coast Guard. And I'm going to head out to North Reef today. And probably head out towards Sunshine Reef a little bit later on in the day. Yeah, Ian, it's Danny Girl, just crossed the bar safely. Yeah, thank you very much for your coverage today. Cheers. Thanks, mate. Bye. Okay, so that's done. Let's get out there. So I've just pulled up on a bait ball here, guys. I don't know what I've got on here. Probably a small fish, but he feels like a snapper the way he's shaking. So we'll see. Oh, nice, tusky. It's all right. Very good to eat. There we go. Beautiful. Nice one. That's the first fish of the day. It'd be close to legal. Look at the teeth on this guy. All right, we'll give him a bit of a measure. We'll see whether he's legal. So legal length is 30 centimeters. This one's 35, so he's going to go in the esky, and we'll see if we can do something nice with him. I'm just going to go back down now with at the top I've got a squid and then a pilly on the bottom, just on a bottle bouncing rig. We got a lot of bait on the sounder, and I think there must be a few fish down there feeding on them. So let's see if we can get a bite. It's 45 meters deep, so it's pretty deep. Beautiful day out here. Absolute cracker. I went to my usual spot, which is over a little bit further north. Couldn't find any fish at all on the sounder. This is a good bait ball on the sounder at the moment, so let's hope we can pull a few reefies up for dinner. The message from my wife was bring some fish home. I've had a disastrous morning. I got to the ramp and my battery was flat, so I had to go home, swap the battery over. And then I realised that my radio's not working, which isn't great when you're going out to sea. Anyway, hopefully we can make up with a few fish. Get a few bites there straight away, as you can see. There we go. Fish. Yeah, it's one of those big flower pots. Getting colour now, coming up. Oh, it is. Yeah, thought it was a cod, the way he was fighting. Not fighting, I should say. There we go. That's a nice cod. Could be legal. I'll have to double check him. So there we go. There's a brown, I think it's a Murray cod. He's got to be about 45, so we're going to pop him back in. We'll get him back in there. Away he goes. They're pretty good. They don't get that barra trauma. They go straight down the bottom, which is great. Just going to try a jig. Slow action jig. There we go. I'm going to drop that down on my jigging rod here. Shimano jigging rod, beautiful rod. If I get a good fish on it, you'll see a bit of bend in this rod. There we go. First fish on the jig. Not a very big one. I reckon it'd be whatever's feeding down there. We'll just pull him up. Small one. Just a little parrotfish. Little tusky. So I got a few dolphins around here, all chasing some fish at the moment. Beautiful day. I'll see if I can get a bit closer. They just come flying up to the boat a minute ago, and I wasn't even looking. I was looking at the sounder. I didn't know what the hell they were. They're pretty cool. Special when you see these guys out in the water. I just love it. It's fantastic. I actually thought it was a whale, to be honest. At first, there's a big splash. But oh shit, I've gone over a whale. Then one of these guys come flying up right next to me. There they are here. They'll come a bit closer. There he is, just going around the front. He's got his belly down on the end. There he's gone. How cool are they? Oh, unbelievable. There he is. This might be the one that follows me sometimes for a feed. He's coming up to say hello. Hey, big guy. I think it is him. He's coming up for to say hello. Look at the fin on him. It's like he's got a few scratches and scrapes on him. He's here again, and I call him white tip. He's got a little broken fin, or a little bit white on the top. Maybe he's, I don't know what's happened to him. And yeah, he's pretty cool. He comes right up, very, very friendly, and he won't leave me alone. Come on. Hey, white tip, I need to do a bit of fishing. Come here. Come on. That's it. Get a bit closer so we can all see you. Here he is. Hey, hello, white tip. Look at him. He is beautiful. I wonder if I can shove the GoPro down and see if he can give you a bit of footage from him on the water. Pretty cool. Oh, it's a little red emperor, one of the nicest looking fish in the ocean. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. There you go, guys. Absolutely beautiful looking fish. It's not often you get a legal one out here on Sunshine Reef. I know a few people do. You get them a bit wider where people don't fish so much, but that's a beautiful juvenile red emperor. Let's get him back in the water. There he goes, beautiful, fantastic. I've just moved to Sunshine Reef now, and we've got a few fish underneath us, so see how we go. Got that on the drop. Not what I want, but not been a great day today. Another beautiful looking fish. Absolute beauty, but I'm going to pop him back in. Not what I'm after at the moment. There you go, poor man's lobster. And they got some nasty spines on them. On the squid. Now they are good to eat, but they're a bugger to fillet. You've got to be careful with them. So he won't be coming out. Well guys, pretty quiet on the fish front today. Plenty of fish on the sounder, but just nothing biting, unfortunately. So I'll head in, try another couple of reef spots, and if I don't do any good, I'll see you next week here at the Hook and the Cook. Don't forget to tune in every Friday. Scotty's got some great clips up at the moment, so make sure you check them out, and we'll see you next time. Cheers guys.